we make the video how the LED light looks. First of all, this is Starlink light. You can see that is a long mid one, and on this here we will use special glue, and you can auto install it. It will be adheres you tightly. And also for this edge, the solution like this, when you after you install it, it will be tight and tight. And for these connectors, as you can see, plug and plug play connectors, and also here is plug and play. Glue on it like this. The another part for this LED, you can see the ABS material is good. I think for this part, and also we design waterproof plug and play connectors, and also for this plug and play connectors. For these two cables, it is connected between the high beam lamp and the stand light. Each connected by the cables, and we make a test.